That's great delivery from set pieces. Promises to be a good encounter, and the game's underway here. Deshaun Jacques is unable to meet that one. Real lack of quality in the final third from both teams here. The referee stops play. Seems there will be a substitution for Cavalier here. Marlon Williams, it seems, has gone down. It's a rather alarming rate of players going down in pain today. As previously stated, it could be speculated that the condition of the field has something to do with it. Well played through for Ballaz Academy, but Redison gets to that one. Not sure why there's this. There's Bryce Fletcher. Thomas, back to Fletcher. That's kicked away by Ballin for a throw. Monty Ballin has played well defensively here. It's not an easy task stopping Abraham Josephs. Taylor calmly collects that one. Can regain position, starts the position for Cavalier. Redison trying to get it to Deshaun Jacques, but that is intercepted by Donald Stewart. Started the second game against Unpleasant, but was a substitute last game and came off the bench again here today. Harris unable to get the better there of Redison. Here's Clark, Alante Joseph, trying to find Williams, but instead finds Kirk King, usual starter, and DeMarley Williams, and he scores! And Cavalier have taken the lead. Mistake by Devontae. Moved to third place on the table with 4 points, one ahead of Kingston Football Academy. Two shy. Seems there's a free kick here. Very, very heated encounter today between these two teams. A lot quarreling, a lot of fights. Could be argued that's probably been the most exciting part of the game. Been a real lack of quality here as opposed to what we've seen previously earlier on in the day. Fletcher wins the ball back from DeMarley Williams. Ball switched from Donald Stewart to McCormack. There's a way here, but Omiko Samuels does well to shield him. Spumani loses the ball out to Donald Stewart. Silvera finds himself way up the field. That will be a free kick to Ballaz Academy.